Hello everyone, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, like and share. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this lovely dress. This is the way it's sitting fine on my mannequin. So there is net here, this is the bustier, so it has a half cut, and this is the body. Please enjoy. This is the materials I'm using. This is the net, this is the breast pad, while this is the lining I'm using for my dress. So the full length of my dress is 38, the bust is 38, the waist is 33, the hip is 41, while the bust is 15, the back is 15. Sorry, the band is 14/12, while the sleeve full length is 23. So nipple to nipple is 7. So 37 minus 15. 15 is our half length. So now, like I said earlier, 22 is the down measurement of our gown. So this is the 22. I added extra 2.5 inch to it, making 24 and a half. So this is 24 and a half. So this is my 22 here that I'm marking. So we are going to use lining to turn it up this way. So our waist here is the waist of this gown is 34. 34 divided by 4 is 8.5. This is 8.5. So you are going to add 1 inch, that make it 10.5. So plus 2 inches, making 12 point. So like I said earlier, the hip of my dress is 41. So let me just say 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10.5 plus 2 inches, making 12.5. So you are going to, if anything you get here, this is 12.5, you are going to remove 1 inch to give it that normal fitting at the down part. You are going to use 11.5. Just bring it downward. That is 11.5. Just bring it downward this way. Now I want to take my scissors and cut it out. This is the front of my at the down part. This is the front panel. Like I said earlier, the normal gown is 22. So you are going to add. So what I did here, I've cut out the back. I just add zipper allowance to it. You can see that the front is folded on the back, and I added extra 1.5 inches for zip allowance for the back. That's what I did here. So now I want to use my lining to turn it up. So now let's go for the upper part. Like I said earlier, the normal bust is 38. So 38, 15 minus 6. You know, the normal half length is 15. So I want to remove 6 from the upper part for the neck. That is what I did here. So making 9. So 6 minus 15 is 9. So 9 will be the normal half length. So we are going to remove 6 inches from it. So that's the 9 I'm drafting out. So I'm going to add extra 1 inch allowance to it, making 10. So half for joining to the net and half to join to the down part, which is our half length at the down part. So that is the 6 that I removed from there. So shoulder to nipple is 10. Shoulder to nipple is 10 inches. So you are going to add extra half inch allowance to it, making 10.5. So that is the 6 that we are going to remove at the upper part. So the under bust is 14. So plus half inch, making 14.5 for joining, because after turning that upper part, it's going to affect our nipple to nipple and our bust point too. So the nipple to nipple is 7. So 7 plus half inch, making 4. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, sorry, plus half inch, making 4. So you are going to bring down the 4 this way. So what I'm trying to bring there is, this is the bust point, while this is the under bust point. So from this side, this is the side, I'm using 2.5 for it. So for this other side too, I'm using 1 inch for it. I know it's not very clear, but I know that you understand what I'm doing. So for this side, I'm going to bring it to the nipple point, while this one will also come to the nipple point from the under bust point. That is what I mean. So from here, I'm going to measure 1 inch. This is 1 inch, this is also 1 inch. So I'm going to rule it down like V stuff to the nipple point. Sorry, I made a mistake here. So now what I want to do here, I'm not supposed to cut it first. So the bust measurement is 38 divided by 4 is 9.5, plus that half inch, 1 inch allowance. We are going to remove 1 from this side, 1 from this side, making 11.5, plus extra 2 inches, so making 13.5 inches. That is what I derive here. So the waist is 33. Let me just say 34, 8.5. So anything we get at the under bust point, this place now, this is 3.5. So making 11. 3.5 plus 8.5, making 11. So plus extra 2 inch allowance. I'm using 14 here. So now I cannot cut out what I wanted. For now, I'm supposed to bring out the armhole curve, but I'm not bringing it here now. It will not give me any error. So you are going to launch out that part. So this is it. This is the back. So for the back, this is the 6 inches that we are going to attach the net at the upper parts. So first of all, I use 1.5 for the deep allowance for the back. Just roll it up. So 8.5 for the bust. Oh, sorry, 9.5 for the bust plus 2 inches allowance, making 11.5. So the waist is 8.5. 34 divided by 4 is 8.5, plus that, plus 1 inch that, making 9.5, plus another extra 2 inches, so making 11.5 inch. So just curve it up the way I did it there. So I'm cutting it out now. So I'm going to split this zip allowance points into 2. Now this is the night for the upper part. So that's what I did here now. I cut out 2. Now you are going to turn it neatly. So this is the 6 inches. I added extra 1 inch allowance to it, making 7. This for the upper part. There is a tool at the upper part, there is a net at the other part. So the back that I'm using is 7.5. So plus ½ inch allowance, making 8. So for the neck, I use 3 inches. For the deepness, I use 3 points. I use 3 inches for the wideness. For the deepness, I'm going to use 3.5 inch. So just curve it a little this way. I'm going to cut it out. So now I've also folded the back. I folded it into 4. So now I'm going to come down. I've removed the zipper allowance. You see the way it is now. So I use 2 inches. I use 2 inches for the neck deepness. So I'm going to trace it to that neck wideness for the front. I've added zipper allowance to it. So what I have to do here is to go and sew it and use it to turn each other. So now I've ironed my stay. My breast pad on the Ankara. So I will take it to my machine and go and sew. If you are sewing, you allow the under bust point to meet the other bust points. So after sewing it, I'm going to attach this. After turning the net also, I'm going to attach it together. So what I did here, I've used my lining to turn up the down part. You can see the way it is very neat. I've used it to turn it up. So now I've sewn the breast pad. You see the way it's standing firm. Very lovely. Now I've attached my net at the upper part. I've used my lining to turn it so that the outer part will be very neat. I turn it downward this way. So now I've also attached the neck, the back neck together. Now what I want to go and do, I want to go and join it together to it. So for the sleeve length, the normal sleeveless is 23, but I'm using 26 here so that it will be puff. Well, here I use 11 inches for the wideness, so I'm just going to come down by 2 inches, and I'll use my chalk to bring out my armhole curve. If you know how to draft armhole curve for sleeve, you know that's what I'm doing here. So I did not even measure anything there. I just try to blend it upward. The armhole cover is not coming out very well. That's what I did here. So I've cut out two. I'm going to attach my elastic on it. So this is the back of my dress. So now what I want to do here, I want to bring out the armhole curve. Like I said earlier, I don't always bring out the armhole curve first because it's going to affect me later. So now I'm trying to arrange it very well. So I have added my zipper allowance to it too. I added 1.5 to it, and the neck for the back wideness too, I've added it. So I'm going to come down this way. I used 9 inches here. I'm just going to cut it out. This is my armhole curve. Just try to blend it very well. So what I did, so now I've joined the down part to the upper part. So I've joined the front and back together. So I'm using 9 inches here. You know, it's like the net, the tool that come out, the net is like a V. So for this side, I'm going to be using 5 inches. So for the center, I'm using 9 inches. So you are going to bring the V this way. So you are also going to do it for the back. You are going to, from the waist, that's the place you are going to measure in 9 inches. And for this side, you are also going to measure 5 inch and bring the V like this, the way I did it here. So from that 5, you are going to measure it down to your desired length, but it's going to be longer than the dress. So I'm using 26 inches here. So you are going to measure your 26 inch here. So there will be an opening at this front. You know, it's a little bit, is at the side, sorry. So you are just going to be putting your net. You are going to gather it like gathers way. You are going to be gathering it. So do you see the effect? But this one is not full enough. This is just like example, the way you are going to attach it. So you are going to do it round and stop it this way. Yeah.